The new car needs more than 10 million Rolls-Royce Phantoms. Driving from Macau reflects that the front of the car goes down every morning. The car can be raised again. It's actually an air shock absorber leaking. It costs $32,000 to change to in Macau. It will take 5 days to order. Big Brother refused. There is a foreign guest to receive on National Day. Finally found us on the internet. It can be repaired with high quality on the same day. Disassemble all shock absorbers. Buffer glue aging. Skin dehiscence. This is the main cause of air leaks. Fate to swipe this video. Click on a little red heart to avoid the need. Prepare imported materials. Seize the new skin bag and lower barrel with special equipment. Seize this link. Test the master's experience. Then, at the end of the seizure, you can tighten the screws after checking it correctly. Final press test. $320,000 in Macau. How much do we charge?